This drawing is available in Telegram on CADDology channel. You can go and download. Select new and select model and OK. Now we will select the plane and OK. Make a rectangle of 40, 60, 40. Put it on center. Value of x and y axis. Make a center arc and trim extra portions of the sketch. And then OK. Make a circle of 16 mm diameter. And finish sketch. Select extrude and select a sketch, and the value is 12 mm. OK. Our middle portion is completed, and now we select a side face as a sketch plane. And then OK, and make a rectangle of 40 by 20 in the upper direction, 40 mm width and 20 mm height. And then make a center arc. Select center, starting point and ending point. And then trim. After that, create a circle of 16 mm diameter for making a hole. And then again extrude and select the sketch, and direction is reverse, and the value is 12. OK. Now we are performing a mirror tool and select the center plane, and then OK. And sketch in a back face as a plane, and make a rectangle, and the dimension is 60 from this point, so we can put 60 mm. Width is 40 mm, and make a center arc and quick trim, and then select circle of 16 mm diameter, and then finish. Extrude it 12 mm, the reverse direction, then OK. Select sketches and hide. Your drawing is finished right now. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great day to all of you.